And overall, looking outside today here on this early afternoon, we're seeing pretty much a lot of sunshine so far here across downtown Hagerstown, and that will continue for the next couple of hours, and that's warmed our temperatures up, of course. 84 degrees right now, dew point still holding in the lower 60s, so still that muggy feel to the air, and bearing down with that sunshine again makes it feel fairly warm. And here are our current temperatures right now across the region. A little bit warmer as you head to the south and east. We're talking middle to upper 80s, 88 already in Frederick, and 91 degrees in Charlestown at this hour. So we have the heat out there for sure. We also have the moisture with dew points, like I mentioned, mainly in the 60s to near 70 this afternoon. So we have two of the ingredients for thunderstorms out there. We just need the lifting mechanism, and that is out there as well. Just off to our north, a stalled boundary is in place across Pennsylvania. You see the clouds starting to increase over the mountains. This will be the development area for our thunderstorms here as we go throughout the afternoon. As again, that front, you can see it clearly right here draped across Pennsylvania, and we do have the energy in place over the mountains for those storms to start to fire off like they already are in portions of Ohio. So over the next few hours, enjoy this sunshine because it's going to get stormy here through the afternoon hours. And of course, the main threats with these that we are watching, mainly just the heavy rainfall, because these things are going to be moving so slowly they could drop a lot of rain over one location in a short amount of time. And also any clusters of storms could have some gusty winds at times as well. And we're due for another round of storms on Friday as this stalled boundary and this unsettled weather pretty much stays overhead. So check it out here the rest of your afternoon. There's the clouds continuing to increase over the mountains, eventually drifting over to the east. And there's the showers and storms developing. They're being focused mainly in northern Virginia here later this afternoon, and then they'll eventually slide off to the east. But everyone has a fair shot at seeing some rainfall, some storm activity through the afternoon and evening hours tonight. Things quiet down into Friday. And much like today, we'll see that development over the mountains, and then the storms will drift east as we go into your Friday afternoon and evening as well. And then on Saturday, the cold front will swing through. There's a chance for a spot storm or shower in the morning hours. Most of that stays to our south, and we finally start to get rid of that humidity. So as we go through, again, we're just going to see spotty precipitation. It all depends on where those storms set up, but we could have a chance to see, again, those heavier amounts anywhere where those storms lay overhead. So we're just going to have to keep an eye out for that. Again, we've had fairly dry conditions of late, so we shouldn't have an issue handling some of those heavier rainfall totals in some locations. But on the 7-day forecast, again, just that storm activity, the hot and humid weather continues into Saturday, and then eventually we'll finally cool back down and get rid of that humidity by the time we end the weekend, and also get into early next week with temperatures back to near 80 degrees.